Hello guys, it's Tessie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time seeing my face or coming to my channel, you're welcome. And to my old subscriber, thank you so much for always coming through. So today's video is how I keep my locks, faux locs, fresh and clean with simple step using the Tresemme Natural shampoo and lukewarm water or hot water, anyone you feel like, because the weather is still cold. And please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a like, and also leave a comment down below on the comment section. And don't forget to press your notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Bye.